Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you that how you can create your own custom Facebook page name. For example, right now we are making a new page for our website, and one of my friend, he's creating this website modapk.word, and he asked me to just change the name of this Facebook page. You can see this is the complete name of, currently the complete name of the page is this one. Okay, now you have to, first of all you need to come to your page main, and from there you have to select this see more, about, create page username. So here you can create whatever you want to. This user is not available. Okay, we can add one. Okay, 10101. Okay, this name is available, username is available. So now from next this, okay, this is your shortest custom name for your Facebook page. Here you go. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any question, you can comment below, like this video, subscribe my channel. Take care, bye bye, peace.